Listen, I know I'm just an AI voice, but I'm here to help you make real money. Printify and Print on Demand are legit ways people are earning thousands online. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how you can start making $1,000 a month even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome to the Cashflow Cartel. Here, I show you how to turn simple ideas into serious income. If you're new to the channel, subscribe for weekly tips. And don't forget to join my Discord linked in the description, where we discuss the best money-making strategies and answer your questions in real time. Why Printify and Print on Demand works. Here's why this works. Printify handles printing, packing, and shipping while you focus on designs and marketing. No inventory, no upfront costs, just profits. And don't worry, I'll walk you through how to get started and avoid common mistakes. Step 1. Pick a niche that works. The secret to success is finding a niche. Think about specific groups with strong interests like hikers who love coffee or gym enthusiasts who also love pizza. The more specific, the better. This is where you find buyers who love what you're selling. Need help brainstorming niches? Join my Discord for free advice from other sellers and myself. Step 2. Create designs that sell. Good designs don't have to be complicated. Use Canva for simple text-based graphics or trending quotes. For example, a mug that says, "Coffee first, sarcasm later" is a hit with caffeine lovers. If you're stuck, check out Fiverr for affordable design services. And for inspiration, feel free to browse my store linked in the description. It might spark some ideas for your own products. Step 3. Set up your store. Next, set up your Printify account and connect it to Etsy. Etsy is beginner-friendly and already has a huge audience. Upload your designs, write strong product descriptions, and hit publish. You're officially in business. And hey, if you need help optimizing your listings, my Discord is the perfect place to get feedback. Step 4. Price for profit. Pricing is key. If a t-shirt costs you $15 on Printify, selling it for $30 gives you a $15 profit per sale. It's simple math. Just make sure your prices are competitive while leaving room for profit. Step 5. Market like a pro. Marketing is where you'll make or break your success. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest are goldmines for promoting your products. Short, engaging videos showing off your designs can go viral and drive sales. And remember, the more active you are, the faster you'll see results. Need ideas for content? Hop into my Discord for tips and examples that are working right now. Once you've made your first sales, scaling is simple. Add more designs, target new niches, or expand to platforms like Shopify. With Printify, the sky's the limit. You just need to keep testing and improving. And if you want to see how I've set up my store, check the link in the description for a closer look. Alright, your next step is action. Join my Discord to connect with other sellers, share ideas, and get personalized advice. And while you're at it, check out my store for inspiration. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's start building your print-on-demand empire today.